Today we are going to discuss about an video lecture series on space mechanics in the topic of aircraft mechanics. In previous videos we saw about what is meant by space mechanics, what are the peculiarities and what is the factors will be affected by the using the Kepler's law and Cowell method, NK method and Lagrange's method. These all are methods are how the space vehicle or space object or satellite will how to occupy the space conditions. So in this video I have to explain about these mechanics in aircraft condition. Basically we assume that this is an one type of aircraft and it will be giving the structure of wing panel. So it is on the leading edge and this edge will be following its trailing edge. So consider this is an aircraft. So basically we know that about the primary control surfaces and secondary control surfaces. Primary and secondary control surfaces are the main function or main protocol of the aircraft. So in this primary control surfaces it will be having the aileron, elevator and rudder, and this is the second conditions all the sponges and the ribs. These all are second control surfaces condition. So in mechanics means we consider the main focus it is on the wing and the power plant section. In power plant section the components will be like as the diffuser, compressor, combustion chamber, turbine and nozzle. In lot of videos we already discussed about these components in the engine power plant, but in wing condition we assume this is the wing condition. The forward pressure or air will focus on the wing condition. The wing flow area is divided into similar like this. So this is the part of the section. So in this wing condition normally the basic operation between the leading edge and trailing edge and coefficient of lift will be calculated as half rho V in infinitive square. Here it is the rho is the density and V infinitive is the velocity. From this we have calculated as coefficient of lift. For that coefficient of drag is also of rho V infinitive square into D. This is L and this is D. So this is coefficient of drag is calculated. From this coefficient of lift and drag we know about the load factor is L. Load factor is the F by W. So these are the mechanics of aircraft wing condition. During this aircraft wing condition with respect to the air, we have to calculate or about the angle of attack. Angle of attack means it is the area of the wing in its to the relative wing area. This is angle of attack. So this angle of attack means it is the angle between the relative wing to the angle with the variant or angle with respect to the another area. So this is of on aircraft mechanics is fully differentiated between the space vehicle mechanics and aircraft mechanics. This aircraft which follows under the concept and mainly focus upon the Newton's law, and the space mechanics will verify or will deliver from the laws of Kepler's law with respect to the Kepler's law 1 and Kepler's law 2 and Kepler's law 3. So this is the act of mechanics for this with respect to the relative will. Thank you.